Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still believe this is most likely the end of an ABC correction. We are in the monthly time frame, so this is going to take a very long time to play out, but I still believe over the coming probably years this is going to end up continuing down, probably eventually taking out these lows, going all the way down to about the $70 area. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame and switch back to the dollar index, which I do trust much more. I do definitely see this as a downtrend right here. I think it's a wave one. I think this is an A, B, C, D, and we're now in a wave E, which I still think is going to go up to at least a 50% Fibonacci retracement, most likely a wave two, and then eventually head back down for that wave three. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, we definitely have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here. So that would definitely make you think that we possibly are going to make a move to the downside. But like I always tell people, just because you see 5 ways definitely does not mean that a trend is over. What tells you that a trend is over is a break of structure to the downside, which we definitely do not have. This very easily could just keep on trending up to finish off this wave E, which I actually still believe is the most likely thing to happen. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. Like I said, on the 4 hour time frame, I mean, I definitely do see the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shape, but that doesn't mean that the trend is over. This very easily could make a move to the downside, bounce off a fib level, and just keep on trending up. So until we get a break of structure to the low side, I am definitely still primarily looking for longs on the shorter time frames. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we already have a little bit of a three-way pattern down. We are at a fib level. I was actually thinking that it would make a bigger correction, maybe even something like this. So definitely be aware of that. But if this 1 hour candle does close very impulsively up with a breakup structure, I would for sure take that as the end of an ABC correction and the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, the higher time frames are still telling us the trend is up. It looks like it could be a wave 5, but there's definitely no proof of that. So shorter time frames, I'm definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.